Analos, a core meme token from the Solana chain that has acquired popularity and momentum and is posing a threat to well-known cryptocurrencies like $PP and $BONK, has been listed on Bitget. Its distinctive motto, "Look right, walk left," contributes to its appeal and renown. $15 billion Analos tokens, 15% of its total supply, are being distributed to a broad audience including $BONK holders, DEX users, and NFT collectors, sparking crypto community buzz. An impressive $1 million ecosystem fund has been set up by Analos, with the first two quests alone offering $100,000 in rewards. This fund is a testament to the project's commitment to fostering a robust and vibrant community. So what event is cooperated between Bitget and Analos? Here is the event detail. Activity 1, Deposit Rebate. Grab a share of 8 million Analos. Deposit at least $50 worth of Analos to get a 10% rebate from a prize pool of 8 million. The final net deposit volume will be used to calculate the rebate. Each user can get up to 40,000 Analos while supplies last, so don't miss out. Activity 2, Trade and grab a share of 6,600,000 Analos. During the promotion period, the first 1,000 users who achieve a spot trading volume of 100 USDT in Analos/USDT pairs will receive 6,600 Analos each. The event will be running until January 3rd. That concludes today's video content. Give this information and content a thumbs up and subscribe for more if you like it.